Right, unboxing BAB001 Caterpillar C347. Look at that, the manual book. Right, everything got sticker. Okay. All right, look at the arm. Crazy big, huge. Look at the size comparison. Mr. Jack said don't shoot his face. Jack Matsaleh. Okay, this is the second arm. Oh, you have fully hydraulic hose, copper. All right. Look at the valve. How many valves? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
6.
6. All right. Beautiful valve. This is the turntable. Oh, look at this masterpiece. What a beautiful, fully standard steel, very solid build, very heavy. This is a cylinder. Okay, second cylinder, and then this total got 4 cylinder. All right, what is this? Okay, hydraulic pump. Huge pump with a meter. Okay. Okay, what is that? Okay, this is a turning motor. Alright. The track gear. Oh. So detailed. Copper and aluminum, left and right. Beautiful, solid, huge. Okay, this is the oil tank, stainless steel oil tank. You got a radiator with a fan at the back. This real fan is functional fan. Okay, all right. Okay, now check this out. Ooh. Okay. We now open second layer. Hold on. Okay, second layer. Look at this. Woo. All right. Look at the bucket. Okay. All right. Let's measure what is the size. Check this out. The hand. How many centimeter? This width at
15.
1.5.
Yes.
15. Okay. 1.5. Okay. 1. All right. Check this out. 15, 16. All right. Okay, the track shoes, aluminum track shoes, huge. The width will be is a
5.5.
55 mm width.
Yes, 55.
Yeah. All right. What else? So you got a 3 ESC, 2 30M and 120M. Okay, what is this? What is this? This is the track. The track structure, main structure. Oh, it's more than 1 feet. Yes. There's two arms. Okay, let's see the counterweight. This is the back, the counterweight structure. So beautiful. CNC. It's not a die cast, it's a whole piece CNC. Very heavy pieces. Okay, what is this? The main body cover. The door. The side step. Okay, others. Maybe the screw, the hole. Alright. Okay, this is the main excavator body, the machine body. Nice structure, nice welding piece. Okay, this is the cabin. So the interior cabin is 3D printed, resin 3D printed. The chair, the base, the chair, structure, or the gear. This is the main cabin. Beautiful. Oops. Never mind. Okay. Okay, look at the netting. So fine. So detailed. Hose. This is the rail. This is a stainless steel. Another two fan. Okay. Look, this is a shindo. Chill.
Macam mana I tak gila datang drive seorang-seorang?
Okay, this is the tooth of the bucket, excavator bucket. Crazy, really crazy. Look at that. This is a side cutter. All right, what's this? Oh, this is the tensioner part inside for the track. This is a cooler. Wow, heavy. These two pieces is super heavy. Look at that. Okay, what's inside? Oh, okay. Yes. The X frame. All right, that's all. Mostly. Let's wait for another video. Process of the assembly. We'll update soon. Thank you.